You can see it for quite some time. It just sticks out. They don't make cars that look like this anymore. All the cars kind of look the same. Then you get an X5M competition. It's $4,000 to change your oil. Ah, gee, that's just ridiculous. Buy a Vette. It's been maybe 100,000 less, and it's a hell of a lot more car, in my estimation. Wow. Tell me there's something better looking on the road. Go ahead, point it out to me. I'll call you a bold-faced liar. That car is beautiful. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this beautiful car is a gorgeous silver 1966 Corvette with a numbers matching, freshly rebuilt 327 in there, which we will see in a minute. It is silver with silver interior, and it's a convertible, as Jake showed you. It's got side pipes, and it also has something that Jake loves.
And what else about the 327? It's not just rebuilt.
Freshly rebuilt.
Well, it's also numbers matching, right?
It is numbers matching engine. Not sure about the transmission, but we'll move on. This has a working clock.
Yes.
Did you see that?
We get too overexcited about working clocks.
But it's really cool when they all work. And it's got a great cockpit, obviously. Let me put the trunk open. There is none.
I know. There is a hatch here. There's a little lever under here. This is where the top is. Now, I already showed in some other footage me putting the top down. It's really easy, just two latches in the front, you can see them there. And then in the back, it just gets pushed down into these little chrome pieces. There's pins in the bottom side of the top. Yep. Real easy to do.
Real simple. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Freshly rebuilt, numbers matching engine. We got the little cockpit back here, and oh, we have two doors.
Yes, we do.
We have side pipe.
The car comes with both doors.
I love having two doors. It's amazing.
It also has cranky windows. They're not mad at you.
No, they're not mad.
You just got to crank them to put them up and down. Yeah, there's that working clock that Chris was talking about.
It's a working clock, for the love of Pete.
Right there, you got a radio, AM and FM.
4-speed Muncie.
4-speed Muncie. There's the chrome shifter. I love those on C2s, the chrome shifter.
And look at this. Oh my God, they did a great job.
Yeah.
Oh, they did a great job.
This engine looks fantastic. 327 Turbo Fire.
Turbo Fire.
If it's called Turbo Fire, you know it's cool.
It is cool. It's just like two great words, mixed it and put it together, and it's in a Corvette that is gorgeous silver. And I really want to hear it. Can we start it? Can we do it?
Yeah, we can. Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh my, this is a car.
It's not a car, I'll give you that.
Well, he's going to give us that, folks.
Alrighty, into the car we go. Now I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Does this have AC?
Yes, it does. And that is new to me too. That I did not know. We need to start playing with this.
Well, because I noticed the vents.
Yeah, and that one
down
I've never
there,
seen that
and a vent up here. Yeah, I don't think I've never seen a vent like that either.
And I got to ask questions about this, and we will answer them at the end on if it works and if it is original.
Well, normally if you have old cars like this and you see vents that you don't normally see, it's because there's air conditioning.
My God, yeah. I've never seen it, ever.
Yeah, there's the clock in the middle that's beautiful, and that's working.
Boy, this clutch is super nice.
Yeah, the clutch and the C2s are nice. You got all the controls for your air and defrosters and stuff there. And then there's your AM FM radio when you move this to flip it between the two. Very cool. That. I do love that. I love that about C2s.
I like a lot about C2s, but I really like this one.
Now, as Chris stated, we just rebuilt this engine.
Just did. I mean, literally.
It's freshly awesome for you, the person that's going to buy this. I'm assuming you're going to watch this video.
I would hope.
But that also means that we're not going to go crazy on it.
We can't. We got to be good and let it break in correctly, which we promised. Rob, the guy who did it, who is an amazing engine builder himself, we promised him that he would.
Yeah. Oh, he's going. You better start going. Oh, listen to it though.
And this is me going easy. Oh man.
Well, even going easy,
man.
It sounds incredible.
It sure does. Gosh. Oh, I love the Nachi Muncie. I love it. Oh, this car.
The Muncie is a fantastic transmission.
Honestly, I love everything about this car. Really do. I love the color.
I love the gauges. Now this is a 66,
Yes,
so
it
it's
is.
a little bit later in the C2 life cycle. The early C2s had concave dished gauges,
that's right.
and the needle came out and it was bent at the end to follow the face of the gauge. These are the same gauge layout, but they're just flat gauges, which is fine. Still very cool.
Wow.
We got a attack, of course, RPM gauge, speedo, fuel. We got water temp, oil pressure, which is fantastic. Of course it is, because it's a freshly rebuilt engine.
Fresh.
And what do we got? Voltage over there.
This is cruising at 40 miles an hour. Absolutely cruising.
Yeah, we're only at 1500 RPM, a little less.
Yep.
Not bad at all. We got a big steering wheel
Oh yeah.
with the
Wood.
Chevy badge in the middle of it. And then let me see if I can take a look at these gauges while I'm up here. They're just so choice.
It's his favorite thing.
Very cool looking. You have the lights over there on the left side as well. The controls for that. Key goes right there. Parking brake is a hand parking brake, also down there by the key. Very cool. You have an ashtray down here by the shifter in case you want to take up smoking. I don't smoke hits. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. And here's the cigarette lighter right below the RPM gauge. It says lighter right above it, so you know.
What a wonderful noise it makes.
It has lap belts, and right now they're clipped here in the middle. Let's see if I can get a look. They're clipped down here. You can take them off of there. That's where you can hold them when you're not using them, which is kind of cool. Neat thing that the C2 did.
I love this car.
We also got Corvette over here written on the glove box, and the glove box, of course.
It's quite a glove box, ladies
It's a
and
big
gentlemen.
glove box, and it's very nice. And this is actually an oh you know what handle up here as well.
It is.
And the dashboard is just incredible. No cracks, no weird chips or anything. I'm assuming this is a speaker up here, and look, a vent like we were talking about for the air conditioning. It's a really nice car.
Really sweet.
It's in really good condition.
It's a pretty ride. I like it.
Plus, we're cruising around with the sun out and the top down.
For now, the sun is out.
For now, the sun is out. Yesterday it rained, and then it stopped, and then it rained again. Today it rained this morning, and now it stopped, and it's supposed to rain again, and then stop again, and then rain again. So we're trying to take advantage of the breaks and the rain that we get, and judging
Full advantage.
when it's going to happen as best we can. Right now, we seem to be doing okay.
We do, and I think we're going to be okay for a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's get this done.
We're up to our stop sign, which means a tame bean test
Very tame.
on a rebuilt engine. First gear action. Second gear.
It sounds loud, but I'm really not driving that fast.
Third gear. Well, it sounds good because you got side pipes.
Love these side
The
pipes.
music that the car is creating for you is coming right here. Right outside your door is
And
where
I
it's
want
coming
nothing,
from.
I want nothing else on. I
No.
really don't.
It's the coolest thing ever.
Oh, God, listen to it cruise.
And I know that these did come with big blocks.
Yeah.
You could have gotten like a 427 or something.
396 and 66, right?
I believe so.
That was only one
Can't
year
remember.
offer.
We're gonna get.
We'll get hammered in that
Yeah,
comments.
yeah, we will. But I think a 327 is just as good.
I think it's wonderful.
It's more drivable. It's easier to maintain and stuff.
Yep.
It just starts up, warms up much faster. And I think they're still so fast. I mean, these
Oh,
cars
it's
aren't heavy.
fast.
People
365
forget.
horse will be good.
Yeah,
God,
350, 365 horse, whatever it is, in a car this light, even being a
wonderful.
convertible back in the day, this is still fast by today's standards.
And I know everyone loves the new Tremec transmissions, and they're fantastic.
But
I can't talk bad. But this
Muncie's
Muncie, it's wonderful.
The Muncie is the way to go for a 4-speed.
I think so. It's notchy and it's wonderful, and it's
Yes.
got a great clutch point.
It does.
Oh, I like this car.
So I'm
a
going to
lot.
do some flybys. Again, tame,
Tame.
but you will be able to hear what it sounds like from the outside.
It's hard not to.
So we got to show that off a little bit, right?
We have to show this car off. This car is a show car.
Let's do it.
Silver 66, double silver. Oh man. It's a car and a half. Tell you what, I like the C2s. I like that one a lot. I don't know. I guess it's silver. I've never seen one in silver and driven it. It's a sexy car in silver. Minus Jake. But it is just sexy. It's a cool car. Vets, Zora, he knew what he was doing. He knew what he was doing. All right, Jakey. Man, just pretty. You can see it for quite some time. It just sticks out. They don't make cars that look like this anymore. All the cars kind of look the same. Then you get an X5M competition. It's $4,000 to change your oil. Ah, gee, that's just ridiculous. Buy a Vet. It's been maybe 100,000 less, and it's a hell of a lot more car, in my estimation. Wow. Tell me there's something better looking on the road. Go ahead, point it out to me. I'll call you a bold-faced liar. That car is beautiful. Ah, they're down. Yeah, see, there they go. Keep it going. Keep it on there. Keep it on there. There it is. Nice. It's got the halogen lights too, or some sort of different lights, LEDs.
Will they go down? Nice.
Yeah, they do.
Very good. It still sounds like a Corvette, Chris.
I said the car was sexy. I don't think I was wrong. Minus you, of course.
I don't think you were wrong at all.
I think it's
minus
sexy.
me. Thank you very much, Chris, for that. But no, it sounds awesome. All the gauges are functioning. We got a clock, for God's sakes.
I know.
And it's a convertible C2 with a rebuilt engine. It's fresh.
And how do you like that shifter? Is it nice?
It's the best.
So notchy.
The 4-speed Muncie is the best 4-speed you can get. Plus, you get a numbers matching engine that's basically brand new.
It's brilliant.
I know. You ready
I
to
love
take it back?
Let's go back.
Let's do it.